Controversies and court cases rage on in Tinseltown, with stars coming up with serious allegations from Sherlyn Chopra accusing Raj Kundra of sexual assault to a complaint being registered against Anurag Kashyap's ghost stories, Shilpa Shetty's mother filing a cheating complaint, and Veer Das's sister Trisha revealing she was sexually harassed. Here are the biggest headlines of the day. At a time when Raj Kundra is trying to prove his innocence in the ongoing porn case, Sherlyn Chopra rocked headlines this morning when she accused him of sexual misconduct. The actress had reportedly appeared from the Mumbai crime branch's property cell to record her statement in connection with the pornography case. In her complaint, Sherlyn claimed that back in 2019, Raj put forth a business proposal with her manager and later showed up unannounced at her house due to a heated argument over a text. She then claimed that he started kissing her even though she resisted. She also elaborated details of the assault and added that she asked Kundra to stop, and after a while she managed to push him and rushed into the washroom. In another shocker that came our way today, National Award-winning documentary filmmaker Trisha Das revealed that she was sexually harassed in her earlier days. Narrating her story, she said, "Back in the day when I was working as a documentary filmmaker, I was sexually harassed multiple times. But it was a fairly common practice at the working place, and women would look out for other women to comfort each other and protect each other." To read all about her story, head on over to eTimes. Meanwhile, Shilpa Shetty's mother Sunanda has filed a cheating complaint in a land deal. She has accused a man of selling her fake land papers to the tune of rupees 1.6 crores. A case has been registered under relevant sections of IPC, the police said in a statement. That's not all the troubling money matters that came tapping on Shetty's doors today. Shilpa, Raj and Vian Industries were fined rupees 3 lakh by SEBI for a 3-year delay in the disclosure of an allotment of preferential shares. The market regulator further ordered the notices to remit or pay the penalty within 45 days of the receipt of the order. On Thursday's episode of Law and Order, we got word that a complaint has been registered against the Anurag Kashyap-directed Ghost Stories for its content. This grievance is one of the first to fall under the Information Technology Rules 2021 that was framed in February this year by the INB Ministry. According to this rule, streaming platforms are mandated to have a redressal mechanism to address viewers' grievances. So much fuss over fiction. Finally, we leave it to the birthday boy Sanjay Dutt to treat you all to his new poster for his upcoming film KGF Chapter 2. At 62, Dutt proved that he's got what it takes to play the ultimate baddie in the film that will see actor Yash in the lead. As wishes poured him from his wife Manyata, daughter Trishala, his friends, fans and former co-stars, the star sent out a note of thanks for all the love and support and also added that the KGF sequel will be worth the wait. While we buzz off to help Dutt Saab keep the celebrations going, we'll see you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye-bye.